Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to change pivot point. So as example, I will insert the cube object, and the next, if you want to show the pivot, you can use the move tools for examples, and we will show the pivot here and press the buttons to show the point. Now you can move by click the pivot, hold, and then you can move to another area. If you want to move to the specific positions like in these corner points, you can right click, hold in the pivot, and then check for snap pivot position. After that, you can click on the corner to move the pivot, or you can move at this face, center point, or in this face. If you done, you can close, and then you can use move tools, select the object, should be show the pivot in the selected area. If you want to move the pivot to the center point, you can click the modify and then use the center pivot. Okay, that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to change pivot point.